Have you ever stayed inside of a convent? I haven't either, until now. I'm pretty excited to stay here at Hotel Nassau Breda. It's our first time in Breda, and I thought, why not splurge a little? Though honestly, it's not really a splurge at all, but I'll tell you the real cost later. Staying right in the heart of the city is my dream way to travel. No transport needed, just walk and take it all in. Let's head inside and see what happens when a former convent meets modern design. Holy smokes, look at this entryway. That light fixture, that molding. This is gorgeous. Okay, I'm loving this church pew. And look at that mural on the wall. You can really see how they blended and preserved history with contemporary style. A bit more info about this hotel. It's only an hour away by train from either Amsterdam Airport or Brussels. It has a fitness center, beauty salon, bar, and a restaurant, which means it offers room service as well. It gives you really everything you need. You can see remnants of the convent and the way that they blended the design. Maybe not that piece of art. Or that piece. But you can see it in things like the arch that's over our room, which is really pretty. Got the room. So here's our home away from home for a couple of days. And you can see how beautifully it's decorated. But here you can see they have a safe with the fridge, which is always good when you're traveling and maybe you want to go to Albert Heijn or something and get you some beverages. You got the ironing board and the iron in here. And I believe this will be the water closet. Yeah, there's the water closet there. So nice and serene. And shower is around here by the bed. Turn on some light so you can see. So here is your towels. The amenities about a brand new spa collection. And here's a very compact but very clean shower. And it has the, what is that? The shower fall? Rainfall? Can't remember what that's called. But yeah, so this is our room for the next couple of days. And I'll turn it around. So just so you know, this room was online for, I think it was around 175 euros. And we had a 50 US dollar credit. And with that, with our Chase points from our US Chase credit card, we spent 11,000 Chase points to be able to book this room, which I thought was really nice. So really good deal. Really excited about being here in Breda. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.